Now this is only a short video, but this is a bit of a different video. I've got a good friend who whose son has cystic fibrosis. Now he does a lot for charity, raising money and all that malarkey, but he's also a detectorist, metal detecting, and he's got a channel with his friend Dave called Detecting Somerset. I'll put a link in the bottom, and a lot of you have probably already seen this. Fantastic channel, and that's how I got to know him, and obviously they go out and do detecting. So I wanted to do something to help if I could. Now what can I do really, cystic fibrosis, to help? Well, I know what I can do. I can make something. So I've made a trowel. Now this is a metal detecting digging trowel, and the idea is I'm going to send this to Morley. He's got it by now, but obviously I'm putting this video up afterwards because I didn't want him to see it, and I'm hoping that someone would be interested in this to auction it. So we'll do some kind of auction or something. I'll talk it out with Morley, and how we're going to do this will be in the bottom of the video, but I'll let you have a closer look. Right, now what I've done is obviously I do a bit of detecting as well, so I thought, well, why don't I incorporate some of the finds that I've found into the handle. So inside we've got some old coins. You know, some people are going to look at this and go, oh, you shouldn't do that, but you know, I've got loads of them. So I've got buckles. You know, some of these buckles are very old, some of these coins are very old, but I thought it was for a good cause. So as I said, you've got coins in there, as you can see. You've got buckles, and I've even put a couple of ring pulls in. And if you detect, you'll like that. So that's it really. I've then done an aluminium hammered finish kind of protector, and then I've just done like a satin finish on this because I'm hoping someone's going to use it, you know. Right? It's a little bit heavy, but this is carbon steel, which I've heat treated. So this is 60 Rockwell. So you're never going to break this. And there we are. So that's it. If you'd like to support cystic fibrosis, and if you'd like to support Morley with the work that he does, consider following the link at the bottom of this video, which will probably be to Morley's page, and then we can work out how we go from there. But you know, it is what it is, but I'm sure someone could find a use for it, even if it's picking up dog poo in the garden. And so there we go. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your time, and if you can help, please do. If you can't, I completely understand. It's tough times for everyone, but even if you could go over, you know, we'll work out a way of doing it, whether it's everyone has a ticket or something, I don't know. But there we go. Anyway, thanks for watching, and take care. See you soon. Bye.